This is the episode 2 of trading a $10 account. Already we are making profits. We are in $14 from $10. We grew it to $14. So I'll be showing you step by step processes on how to trade a $10 account to make profits that you can accumulate to become a very big amount. I'll be showing you how I took these trades and why I took this trade, and I'll be showing the strategy I use in trading this account to able to grow it to avoid taking any loss that can blow up my account. First thing, in trading this account, stick to 0.01 lot size. The reason why I say this is because if you're using 0.01 lot size, you can avoid minor mistakes that can blow your account, because you may be you're going that account from small account to a big amount. So I'm in $4 now in profit. So the more you're going, the more profit you're accumulating, then you can be increasing your lot size. At first thing is stick to 0.01 lot size. Then let me show you the thing that I use in analyzing this trade and knowing when to enter this trade and taking my action. So if I go to this, if I go to this trade, you will see with my zone. If I go to this trade, see the market was in an uptrend. The market was in an uptrend from this zone. It was going in an uptrend. So it was in an uptrend, and when the market was in an uptrend, I knew that the market was currently in an uptrend. And when the market, you see what was happening in this market. If the market move here to retest, it will retest back, it will move to this zone, and it will go back to, and will move to this zone, and it will go back. But the market now did this to this very zone. When the market did this to this very zone, I knew that the market have created a very big zone here. So I do this thing as a very big zone. The market failed to break for 3 good times. See what happened here. The market went from up here, from the very spike, it went back to that zone, rejected it, and went back. When it went back, it also hit here, went back, and when it created this spike up, it went back, and it's starting to break this zone. So my mind told me that this zone is a very big zone, that anytime the market break the zone, then I'll buy. If the market fail to break the zone, then I will sell down, I will go short down. So I was watching this market. When the market now gave this first one, gave the second one, and when it now did these things here, I now know it was a sell. The market now reached there and now started pulling back. When it pulled back, I entered my first sell. And you saw the market was going down. We're only in $4 in this market. So the market was going down, and when the market now broke from this second zone, I entered my second sell from this zone. If you go to day one, if you go to how to go $10 account, the first day one, the episode 1, you see how I took this trade. So currently we are in episode 2 of going on how to trade a $10 account. We are in episode 2 of how to trade a $10 account. So let me go over to my 4 hours time frame. So because if you're trading, the best time frame to use in trading, analyzing your charts, is 4 hours. You analyze the charts, know the trend of the market in 4 hours. Then when you feel analyzing it, when you want to take action in 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you take action. That's when you execute your trades. So you analyze the market in 4 hours, then you execute in 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So, and when trading a $10 account, know this thing. Don't come the market to be scalping any minor trades. Know this thing. When you're scalping anyhow, you be taking unnecessary trades, and you may be able to lose and blow the account. So you take a trade, a solid trade, 1-1, and that 1-1 can go your account. So let me show you what happened in this market. Before the end of the video, you see how I go this account to a very big, massive account. Currently we're in $4, and we're going to go this account to very big, massive account before the end of the video. Don't forget to stick to the end and watch the video to the very end to learn everything on how I go this account and to master my strategy. So when I go to the 4 hours time frame, the market was creating a downward trend from this very zone. It was failing to break this zone. Let me bring out my zone. It failed to break this zone at first. You saw the market failed to break there. It's also failed to break this zone. So the market reach here, bounce back, reach here, bounce back, reach here, bounce back. So the market was not creating a downward trend. So when I use my trend line, to map out this place as a very key resistance level. I use my trend line to mark that place as a very key resistance level, and I also use my trend line to map out this place as a very key support level. I use my trend line to map out this place as a very key support level. So when I mapped it out, I now knew that the market was bouncing through these places. So currently, this place, this one here, this down line here is my support, and this up layer is my resistance. So I will have to follow according to this. So the market reached there, it retested from that zone, it went down, it reached here, it went down, it reached there, it went down. So when the market now reached this place, it went up, went down, and the market started bouncing up. So when the market started bouncing up, let me zoom this in. So when the market started bouncing up, since the market have not broken from this zone, I still know that it was still a downward trend. It's when the market now break this zone that I will know that it's an uptrend. So currently, when the market did not break that zone, I knew it was a downward trend. So let me zoom in to what happened here. So this is what happened at this zone. So currently the market started. So in the overall trend, is a downward trend. Then if you now go over to the 30 minutes time frame, to the 1 hour time frame, you see the market was creating a rising trend. But the overall trend was a downward trend. I moved to 30 minutes. In 30 minutes trend is telling me an uptrend. So inside the 4 hours time frame is total, everything is uptrend, is a downward trend. But if you come to the 30 minutes time frame, you see it's an uptrend. So currently, when the market refuses to break this zone, that is when I executed. And know this, when you're trading, the moment the market broke up from this zone, the moment the market broke up from this place, let me show you the moment the market broke up from here, you saw the market was, you saw what happened. If the market reach here, it will retest, break, it will retest, come down, it will retest. When the market broke from this zone, I knew that it was a very big sell, because the 4 hours is telling me, if you look here, look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours is telling me it's a downtrend. The 4 hours is telling me it's a downtrend. And I was just cooling down, waiting, and the 30 minutes was telling me an uptrend. But the moment it broke it, I now knew that it was a very solid reason to enter and execute my trade. Currently, we're in $4.55 in trading. If you have watched this extent, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to be able to see videos on how to trade small accounts. So I'll be showing you everything. Don't forget to stick to the end to also watch this video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel to also notice what is happening. So if you watch here, I took a sell. I took the first sell. The first sell was the one I took here, and the second sell was the one I took when the market broke from this zone. So when the market broke from here, I took the second sell, and I will take the third sell. When I'll take this third sell is when the market break from this zone. So the market is currently falling from this zone. When the market break from this zone that I mapped out here, from this box, I map this box here that I map out. When the market break from this box here, then I'll enter my third sell. Are you seeing how I'm taking my trades? I did not enter the three trades at the same time. You see, the first trade I took it here when the market failed to break this zone up here. I took the first trade. The second trade was the one I took when the market failed to break this small zone inside here. When the market failed to break this zone here, I took the second trade. When the market failed to break this zone, then I took the second. When the market broke the zone, I took the second trade. And when I will take the third trade is when the market will break this zone. So if you watch this video, you see, as you're watching the video, you see how the market will break. If the market break the zone, you see how I'll take the trade, and you see how we're making profits as I'm taking this trade. Currently, we're in $4.71. We are going over to $5. You see, we are going over $5 from $10. We're flipping to $15 in trading. This is just a simple strategy you need to follow to be able to become a profitable trader, to be making money from trading. Most times, people do see that the only time they trade is when they deposit like very big amount, like $1,000 or $500 to trade. I tell them this is not how I trade. I'll deposit small amount like $10, $5, and I'll go it over to $1,000, go it over to $500. Then I withdraw and continue trading. That's the fun of trading. The reason why I trade small accounts, know this thing, is not because of anything. It's because of when I tend to trade and go that amount, a very big amount, I know that I've mastered the strategy of going any amount, no matter the amount of money, no matter it's $10,000 account, no matter it's $1,000 account, I can go it to a very big amount. So currently we're on 4 points. We're amazing in profits. So currently, if you weigh this into your amount, imagine you trading a $1,000 account and you go into 1,400. No, from $1,000 account, yes, you go it over to 1,400. That means you're $400 in profits. Then imagine you trading a $10,000 account, you go it to $14,000. That means you're on $4,000 in profit. So if you watch this market, it's not about me. Now, don't be checking the small percent. Imagine you trading on a big account, you also see that you make very big amounts in trading. So just master the strategy I use in trading this account. So when the market reach this zone, that is when I will not enter the market. When the market break this zone, you see the market is breaking. If you go over to the 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, you see what the market is doing. So the market is trying to reject from that zone, is rejecting, but the very key factor is pushing it down towards that zone. So the market is not pushing it towards down the zone, and is currently going down to break the zone. So let's move to the analysis. You see I'm mapping everything. So you may be saying you don't know how to. In this trading is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. It's that most people are trying to complicate things with a very big things. See, the reason why they're complicating things, if you see their trading platform, you see moving averages, you see RSI, you see different things that is confusing them. If you trade, just make your trading platform easy. No moving average, no anything that will confuse you. You will just see if you follow this thing, you will see that you'll be able to make money from this market. Just make your chart very easy, and you see that you go to the account. Currently, the first trade you took is currently in $3, and the second trade is in $1.7 in profit. I'm telling you, this does 0.01 loss size. I'm told you, when you're trading, as you're trading, when I enter my second trade, that is when I'll be continuing trading and be increasing my loss size. So the first trade I took, I used 0.01 loss size, and the second trade I took 0.01 loss size. So if the market now break this zone, you see how I make $100 in this account. You see how I make it $100 in this trade. When the market now break this zone, then I'll enter my third trade, and let me map out one more zone. Let me map out another zone that the market will break before I also enter that trade. So you see I'm mapping out my zone. I'm not trading everything at once. If you have your accounts, you need to just follow this thing to become somebody that can be able to go any account. Know that if you're losing your account, the broker is getting gain, is eating and enjoying your money. You need to know the strategies you need to follow to be able to go small account, so that you can be able to read the broker and stop the broker from eating your money or blowing up your account. So when the market break this zone, so when the market was there, it failed to break that zone, it fell down. When it failed to break the zone, I entered my second trade. When it will cross here, I will enter my third trade. When it failed to break that zone, when it break it, I enter my third trade, and when it fall down from this zone, I enter my fourth trade. This is how I continue entering this trade before the market reach here. Trust me, I'm a very big hell of profit. I'm making a hell of profit before the market will reach this zone. So currently we are about to go in $5. We are about to enter $5 in this market. We are in $4.95. We are almost going to $5 in this market. And if you see the market, we are in from $10. We are now already in $15 in this trade. From $10, we are in $15 in this trade. That means we have made 50% of the account. From $10 to $15 is 50% of the account. Imagine you trading a $1,000 account and you make $500 gain, and you've made 50%. Imagine trading a $10,000 account, you made $5,000 profit, you are in 50% profit. So you are already in 50% profit on this account. You need to follow this thing to tweet any profit of your choice, any small account of your choice, and you go it to a very huge amount. So I don't want to make this video very long. But before you see how enter my second trade, you see how enter my third trade when the market break the zone. When the market break the zone, I'll enter my third trade. You see how I'm very disciplined. I'm not just taking trade anyhow. The market do reward those that are disciplined in the market. When you're disciplined in the market will reward you immensely. So I'm somebody that also like trading with past experience. So let me go over to past experience to see what the market is giving on this account. Let me go over to past experience. If you look over to this place, you see that the market was rejecting from this zone. The market was, if the market reach here, it will move back. So you know that this zone is a strong key area. The market also moving back and be like rejecting from this zone. This zone is a very strong key area. So when you're trading any account, when you want to enter any trade, you go over to the past experience to see what the market did in that zone. You see what the market did in that zone. So the market reached there and retested. So I don't want to make this video very long. So in the part 3 of this video, you see how I trade. So currently you are in $5. You are in $5. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. You see the processes and the strategy you use in growing small accounts to a very reasonable and big amount of your choice. We're already in $5 in this $10 account. We're already in $5 in this $10 account. So the market is going down here, and let's see if the market will break it. And you see how enter my fourth trade. You see how enter my third trade. See, the market is now entering the zone. The market is entering the zone. Are you seeing what is happening in the zone there? Are you seeing what happened in the market? The market is entering the zone. So the market is entering the zone. I'll take my third trade. Once the market break off that zone, you're seeing how I'm disciplined and I'm trading. I'm not trading 100 trades at once. I'm trading small, and I'm growing this account to a very immense amount of my choice. So let's be watching what the market is giving. So if you go back to the 1 minute time frame, you see the market is trying to reject from that zone. You see the market is trying to reject up because that zone is a very skill level zone. You see the zone I mapped out where the market is. The market is currently in this zone. So the market is currently in this zone. And if you go back to the 1 minute time frame, it will see what is happening inside that zone. You see the market is trying to reject there. But once the market breaks it, I'm entering my third trade. So I don't want to make this video very long. Don't forget. Okay, wait. It's like this market is trying to break this. Once the market break it, I'm entering my third trade. See you next on my video. See you on my next video on how I will grow this account. Of this $10 account, I'll grow it to a very significant amount, and I'll teach you how to trade a $10 account of your choice.